Vegetable peeler. This is an ideal device to peel vegetables. Use it to prepare everything you want. According to the dish you want to make, you can choose the proper blade, selecting the right number. The blades are protected by a plastic lid that allows you to store this instrument without worrying that the blades will get blunted. Buy this device for $20. Smart grinder. This is a highly efficient, portative, and smart coffee grinder, which controls the quality of the coffee bean and can even order more when it's almost over. The device has a smart platform to measure the freshness of the coffee beans using a special algorithm that takes into account the roasting date and the purchasing date, as well as the gas level, the temperature, the humidity, the volume, and the mass of the coffee. The device connects to your smartphone and lets you know if the coffee's going bad. The user can also choose to be informed when he has to buy more coffee, or allow the machine to buy more automatically. The device's battery can work without being recharged for 3 weeks. An airtight lid limits the effect of oxygen in the product, and a special valve reduces the gas level inside it. The price of this device is $179. A Zoom. This is the perfect device to cook rice. This is a very practical ceramic pot. There are no plastic or electronic devices which can get damaged during the cooking process. Therefore, a Zoom will be with you for much longer than any other similar device. And don't worry about the quality of the final product. The rice will not burn because the thick bottom won't allow it. You can order this ceramic pot for $87. Arctic Cold. This is a device to prepare cold coffee, which allows you to enjoy a refreshing drink without feeling any bitter taste whatsoever. Cold coffee is ideal for people with sensitive stomachs, given that it has 67% less acid than a hot coffee. To prepare an Arctic coffee, you're going to need some cold water and a little bit of time, from 12 to 24 hours. You need 3 times more water than normal coffee. Pour the water in the coffee and wait for it to brew and filter. The result will be a concentrate, which you can dilute in water, milk, or cream. After preparing the drink, you can leave it in the fridge for several days. You can buy this coffee machine for $60. Cinder Grill. This device is the first contactless grill, which can autonomously define the degree of doneness of a steak and notify the user when the food is ready using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections. You can control the device using your smartphone through an app specially developed by the creators of the Cinder Grill. The app has receipts with illustrations and chef recommendations. The grill has 2 detachable plates, which you can clean in the dishwashing machine. The non-stick coating can withstand a temperature of 266 degrees Fahrenheit. The power of the grill is 1.8 kilowatts. It also has a built-in sensor to control the temperature of different parts of the